Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another Indian dish. This one is Punjabi Chicken Curry, and this is one of my favorite chicken dishes in terms of Indian cuisine. And it's really nice, easy to make, and great flavors. And please, all of my Indian friends, if you know how to make it, like in case I missed anything, just leave your feedback, your comments, any remarks, anything. I'll happily accept it because I really want to improve in this cuisine. So, and in case you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and let's show you guys how to make it. For this Punjabi chicken curry, here we have half a kilogram of chicken, washed and all of that with the bones. And for the marinade, because this is a 3-step recipe, for the marinade here we have also with it half a cup of yogurt and quarter teaspoon of turmeric. For the masala here we have 2 medium onions that we've sliced, 2 medium tomatoes that we've blended, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and here we have 2 chilies. For the whole spices, here we have a bay leaf, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 black cardamom, some cinnamon sticks, 4 cardamoms, and 5 cloves. For the spices, the powdered spices, of course we have salt and pepper as well. And here we have half a teaspoon each of turmeric, cumin seeds, cumin powder, garam masala, and coriander powder and chili powder. Of course, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and at the end we're going to need half a teaspoon of fenugreek leaves and quarter teaspoon of mango powder. Our first step is to marinate the chicken. So in a large bowl we're going to put in the yogurt. We'll also add in the quarter teaspoon of turmeric and some salt. I'm going to whisk this really well. So after we've whisked it, now we're going to add in the chicken. So now we're going to cover it and put it in the fridge and let it marinate for minimum half an hour, and between half an hour to 1 hour. Next step is on a medium heat, you're going to put your pan to heat up, and you're going to add some of the oil. So once the oil has heated up, now we're going to add in the whole spices, and I broke the bay leaf into 2 pieces. And we're just going to mix that and let them all saute together until you hear the popping sound. So once you hear the popping sound, we're going to add in the onion. And we're going to saute it until it turns transparent. Now we're going to add in the chilies after the onions have started to turn transparent. And we're going to saute that for a few minutes. And after a minute or 2, now we're going to add in the ginger garlic paste. And we're going to saute it until you don't smell that raw garlic smell anymore. So once you don't smell that raw garlic smell anymore, we're just going to take them off the heat, and we're going to put them in a plate to cool down, so we blend them later on. Now we're going to just, once it has cooled off, we're going to blend all of this together and add a little bit of water in order to form a paste consistency. So we've blended a little. Now we're going to add just a few drops of water. And we're going to blend everything really well until we get a paste consistency. So now on medium heat in our pan, we're going to add the remainder of the oil. And we'll wait for it to heat up a little bit. So once the pan has heated up, now we're going to add the remainder of all of our paste. And we're going to saute it for a little bit. And now we're going to add in the tomatoes. And we're just going to saute everything together. So once you've mixed everything together and everything has sauteed, we're going to add the spices, so salt, pepper, and the rest. Pepper. and the rest of our spices. So once you mix everything really well together, now we're going to add in the chicken. And as you can see, the oil has started to float to the surface, so now it's time to add in our chicken. So now we're going to saute everything together, make sure everything is really well coated and mixed in together. And then we're going to add some water to cook all of this. So everything has mixed in together, and now we're going to add about 2 cups of water. So once you added 2 cups of water, just gently mix everything, and then we're going to keep it on medium heat and let it cook. So we're going to check on the chicken, and it looks cooked. So now we're going to take the fenugreek leaves and rub them against our palms. And we're going to just give this a nice gentle mix. And now we're going to add the mango powder and give it a mix once again. And let it all sit for about 5 minutes, and then you can serve it with rice or naan or however you want. So this is what it looks like once we've served it. It looks really nice and it smells amazing. I really can't wait to try it. So we've served it 2 different ways. This one will be eaten with rice and this one will be eaten with naan. So I'm going to try it. So we're going to try a piece of the chicken. The flavors are spot on. The chicken is nice, moist, juicy, delicious. And then you have, of course, the masala, and the flavors are amazing. It's perfectly seasoned, the right amount of salt, the right amount of spices, everything really comes through. And you get great flavors from this. It's really nice and nice flavor explosion in my mouth. So I highly recommend trying this. So this concludes today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below. And follow me so you guys can support me to make more content. I'm available on Facebook, Instagram, Discord, and TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.